accidentally deleted a message conversation on your iPhone? No worries, I'm here to help you recover those lost messages. Whether you've got a backup or not, there are a couple ways you can try to get them back. Let's jump into it. Solution 1. Recover messages from the recently deleted folder. First, open the Messages app, then tap on Edit or Filters in the top left corner of the screen. Now look at the bottom and tap on Recently Deleted. If your deleted messages show up here, select the conversations you want to restore and then tap Recover. After that, your recently deleted messages should be back in your main message. If you didn't find your messages here, don't worry, you can still try to restore them from an iCloud backup. Solution 2. Restore from an iCloud backup. If you regularly back up your iPhone to iCloud, you've got a good chance of recovering your deleted messages. Start by opening the Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap iCloud. Now tap on iCloud Backup. Before you go any further, make sure you've backed up your data previously. If you didn't have a backup, there's nothing to recover from. But if you did, let's move on. Open Settings again and scroll down, then tap General. After that, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Erase All Content and Settings. This will erase your current data, so be careful. During the setup process, choose the option to restore from iCloud Backup. Finally, select the backup that was made before you deleted the messages. By following these steps, you should be able to get your deleted messages back on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below.